Good morning, friends. This is Ms.Erika, and I have a fun activity to do with you guys. And you can use some things around the house, but what I want to show you is some craft that we can do with pasta. I like using these squiggly ones. I like to use these squiggly ones. You can use any kind of pasta you want, but this one really makes a nice sunflower. So I'm excited, and let's get started. So you want to use anything you can find around the house. You can use a string, or I have also this pipe cleaner. I cut out a piece of cloth. I have these green things I'm gonna use for the leaves. Anything you can find around the house. So I'm gonna start by coloring a background. I wanna make some sky. You guys can make sky. So the sky is blue in my picture because it's a sunny day. And I'm gonna make sure to draw a sun. You can draw anything you want in the background. I'm doing something simple for now. So here's my little sun. Make some grass. And under the grass, there is dirt where flowers grow out of. So, there you go. Okay, so that's gonna be my background. First, I'm gonna glue down my stem. You can use a string or you can use a pipe cleaner, whatever you want. I'm going to use this string here first. Kind of like the string, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use a scissor to just kind of cut a little bit. You can ask mom and dad for help with that. And I'm going to put it in my glue. I'm using a liquid glue because it helps more with the pasta. The pasta sticks better with liquid glue. So here, now I can stick down my stem. All right. And there is my stem. I'll put some of these leaves down. 2 leaves. Awesome. And then I'm gonna glue down this piece. You guys can use any colors you want. You don't have to use the same colors as me. You don't have to use the colors that the flower is. You use your imagination and whatever colors you want to use. So now I'm ready to put down my pasta as the petals of the sunflower. And you'll see what I mean, that these squiggly ones are perfect for making a sunflower. I'm just gonna go and glue these all the way around. And when you're done gluing, you wanna make sure to leave it laying flat because the glue has to dry and you don't want any of your pasta petals to fall off. But this project makes such a pretty little sunflower. I was really excited to show you guys this. You guys take your time, don't rush. You know, you wanna make it really pretty and really nice. Go all the way around. I'm almost done, guys. It's taking a while, but I'm almost there. And I'm gonna put one more. And there you go. Ta-da! All right, let me turn it around because remember, you don't want to pick it up right away. Thanks again for visiting. I had so much fun making this sunflower with you, and I hope yours turned out amazing, and I'm sure it did. I'll see you next time on our next activity. Bye!